um, our thought process is extremely important to be healthy. Our mind, see, we have 2 ears but one tongue, which means the universal energy wanted us to listen more, speak less, but we do otherwise. Half the time, not half the time, I think 80% of the time, we are speaking far more than what we are listening. And sometimes it's not actually about speaking, it's also about your thought process, which is going on so much that it is almost like speaking when you are thinking too much. Just like you have a clutter in your room, in your house, and you need to clean it up for new stuff to come in. Your mind, your brain needs to be clutter free. It needs to be cleansed often. And often means a few times a day. Not often does not mean once a week or once a month or once in a fortnight. No. It means few times a day. Minimum, I would say, is 3 times a day. And the process is pretty simple. Prayer, meditation, or beautiful natural place like this where you can close your eyes, sit down, get connected, and feel the joy. Feel the bliss within. The bliss within is of you being you, and it has nothing to do with anything. But that can be felt when your mind is empty of all clutter. When your mind is empty of all clutter, solutions are instant. You can find answers to questions, problems of life immediately. Do not let the challenges of your life, the problems of your life overcome you, because you are capable enough of overcoming any problem and any challenge, provided your mind, your brain is completely clutter free. And to make that, you will have to put some efforts. And when you are putting efforts to yourself, you are not doing good to yourself, but you are doing good to everybody, to the community, to the universe, to each and every one around us. And we want to do that. We tend to give the most time for everything else except ourselves. So let's change that. Let's not let our problems be our masters. Our challenges become the better of us, such that we start thinking of them far more than we think of ourselves. Let's become the masters of all the problems and challenges that come in our life, because we are the masters. And for that, you will need to make your mind thoughts clutter free. Clean out those thousands and thousands and thousands of thoughts which are not needed here. Then there will be place for the creative ones, the positive ones, the really nice ones, that will not only keep you healthy and full of joy and happiness from within. Your digestion will be perfect. You will never need to go to a doctor. Everything is there for you. Take out that time. 3 to 5 minutes a day, 3 times, not a day once, 3 times a day. 3 to 5 minutes, that's it. Listen to a song, some instrumental music, and get connected. And while you do so, pray. Send out good thoughts. You don't need to pray, but when you send out good thoughts, it is prayer. Concentrate on yourself, concentrate on your heart, or even if you just sit down and just say, I love you. Thank you.